Choose your fighter.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve a matte soft glam. I thought this would be super pretty since we are like in the soft glam days now, and I wanted to try something different and do it matte. The products will be down in the description box below. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 35R palette. I really like this palette because it has a lot of browns and neutral tone shades, as well as some shimmer golds. I think everybody should have like a palette like this in their kit because it just have everything you need neutral wise. So I'm taking this Wet n Wild fluffy brush, and I'm starting out with this light brown shade. I'm really working you guys in the first column. Those are the only colors like I use in that first column. And I also use that pale beige shade in the third column. So I'm starting out basically with a lighter brown, and then I'm going deeper with a cool tone brown, and then a kind of like a red brown. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'm just using that. Everything's gonna be pretty simple, pretty neutral, very matte, no shimmer. I did not want any shimmer at all.
Choose your fighter. Fight. Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.
So once the eyes are done, I'm going in with the Maybelline Blur Primer, and I'm going to be applying that all over my face. I chose this primer because, again, I want like this glamorous, like soft look, but I wanted like the skin to be kind of, you know, perfect, but not perfect because it's not going to be perfect. But then I'm just setting it with my black Radiance powder. Setting the primer gives more coverage, you guys, and I'm really focused on the cheeks of my face because that's where all my pores lies. And then I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I believe this is Mocha, and this is the matte foundation, you guys.
fighter. Flaky inspired. Fight.
So once my foundation is done, I went in with the Ruby Kisses contour palette. You guys, I did not show this on camera, but they have an orange shade in this palette, and they have like this really light shade. So I mixed the two, and what I'm doing now is color correcting. I didn't realize how light I made this prior to adding the second concealer, which you're going to see in the next clip, but it kind of defeated the purpose. If I had I went darker with my color corrector, I think it would have been fine, but you know, the look turned out fine for me. But you know, I keep saying but, you know, but yeah, I didn't expect my color corrector to be this light, you guys.
Choose your fighter. Flaky inspired. Fight. Choose your fighter. Flaky inspired. Fight.
So y'all, I'm going in with that Ruby Kisses palette I was talking about earlier, and I'm just using the darkest shade and the next darkest shade to just bring some warmth back to my face. Kind of sort of contouring, but not really. I want it to look a little bit extra. If you've been on my channel before, you know I usually do bronzers and powders. I rarely use like cream contour shades or liquid contour shades. But I thought for this video, let's just do it. Since it's a soft, but it's glam. It's like a glam one. And I apologize if I sound so tired, y'all. I am exhausted. Last 2 days of work has had me exhausted, okay? Being essential worker is so hard. I'm just so tired. Like, I'm ready for this to be over, but y'all be safe out there. Okay, anyway, so back to the video. So now I'm going in with the black Radiance powder, you guys, and I'm just setting my entire face with the powder lightly. I didn't use a whole bunch of powder. I wanted to try this technique. I saw this on Destiny Godly's page. She made this video years ago, but you go on her page, y'all. She teaches. She has some great tips and techniques. So I decided to set everything, set all your liquids and your creams first, and then go in with your powder contours and the powders you use to highlight and blush and all that good stuff. So I'm just going in and I'm finishing off the eyes. Y'all, I really like the simplicity of this makeup look. Like, I feel like anybody can do this look. You just get you some brown shades and do your foundation routine and stuff. Like, this is so simple, but it looks really good. And like I said, I wanted to keep everything matte, so I didn't even use a highlighter. Like, can you believe I did not use a highlighter? Okay, so now I'm just taking a dark brown shade and I'm gonna use that as my liner using using an eyeliner brush. I did not want to use black because I wanted to keep this super soft, y'all. So this is what we're doing.
Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.
Alright, y'all, so lashes are on. Like I said before, I did not use a highlighter at all. I just used the lightest shade in my 35R palette, that beige white shade, and I highlighted the inner corners of my eyes, my eyebrows, my nose, area and the high points of my cheek areas. Y'all, I use that as a highlighter and it worked out so well. So you don't always have to use a shimmer highlighter. You can also use a concealer as a highlighter, you guys. And then I finished off using my lip liner in Scorpio by Juvias Place, and then I used my CoverGirl Melting Pout matte liquid lipstick in Current Nude, and then I just set my face with the e.l.f. illuminating spray.
Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.